Hi everyone, so today we're looking at this primer and we'll see if it's worth it or not. Wait until the end of this video because we're going to Sephora and we'll see what other people are saying about this primer and make a conclusion on if you should spend your money on this. So first, this primer retails for 40 Canadian dollars. It's derived from cannabis seed extract and it should provide antioxidant benefits. It should hydrate and smooth your skin. However, I don't like this primer. I actually don't. I like the idea that it should, because it should be tacky and grip your foundation and make it last longer. However, I don't see it, and I feel like I've developed some bad reactions from it, but I'm not sure. So I need to try it again. So I just tried it today. That's what I have on my face right now. However, I feel like I've when I remove my makeup after applying it, it leaves my skin really like with a weird texture. But I don't want to say it that it's a complete true because I don't know. So we'll see after this. I'll keep you updated. But I don't like this primer. I feel like it gets into the cracks and it doesn't smooth the skin. Like it makes it, if you have wrinkles, it makes it like get into it and you can see the bumps. It doesn't give a smoothing effect, and I don't know, like it's a grip primer but I don't feel the grip. I feel like it's tacky but then it gets dry, so maybe I'm not applying it right. However, I just used it for this video. Like I don't use it, I have it, and I regret buying the big box, the big bottle. I should have bought the small one, and then if I liked it, I would get the bigger one. I don't like it. However, it might not be the same for everyone. So we'll go on Sephora right now. Let's go. All the reviews that I chose are verified purchases, and we'll go from the least, the 1 star, to the 5 stars. Okay, so the first review is, I usually stick to the same primer but decided to try this one since I heard so many good reviews about it. But this product made me break out so bad. I don't even have acne prone skin and I hardly ever break out. Disappointed. Woo! Okay, I'm not the only one feeling like they break out. Like I don't break out easily. I have eczema, so I don't consider that as breakout, but my skin is like, it can get really dry and all of that, but it doesn't get bumps and all. But I feel like this one just, ooh. Anyway, let's get to the second one. I don't feel any difference in my skin. I got it because all of the gurus rave about it being sticky. After trying it and letting it sit for a minute per instruction, I swear there was nothing on my skin, no tackiness, no gripping of any kind. It's just weird to me and dried to nothingness. Layered again and still no change. After trying this item, the pump broke. Okay. Forward the next morning and I broke out so bad. Oh my god, I'm so scared now. I'm so scared. I'm so scared to break out. Like I don't want to break out. I'll be so mad. I'll be so mad. You know what? If I break out, I did it all for you, so you better subscribe. Let's get to it. She said, nothing new in skincare but this. Odd. So second person breaking out, and yeah, I don't know why everyone loves it so much. I really don't know why, but we'll know why at the end of this video because we'll go to the 5 stars. I hate it. It was a waste of money. My oily skin looks terrible with this primer and my foundation looks so bad. I'll never buy it again. We agree. I'm not buying this again. Never. And yeah, I'm not even using it on my customers either. It's a waste of money. I'm not going to use it, and it's big, so I'm not even going to finish it, and I can't even use it on my customers because I don't like it. So it's like throwing $40 away. Okay, so now let's get to the 5 stars. So why are people liking it so much? Okay. One line. Okay. Amazing. Perfect to keep your makeup on all day long. Okay. Next one. Works better than most of my other primers. Very mattifying. Make sure to use only 1 or 2 pumps, otherwise it gets a little bit too sticky and filmy. Okay, I don't know, like it's hard to find a good primer. I need to, like it's the only thing missing in my kit, a good primer that I love. Oh, there's the Givenchy, but it's like really pricey, so I use it like a everyday good primer. I feel like there's not a lot. Okay. Whew, okay. So there's someone who loves this primer, so we'll read it. Okay. Oh my god. I want to start by saying that I've never done a review for anything I've bought, but this stuff is completely worth writing one. I have oily, acne-prone skin, so I need something that won't break me out, control oil, or at least keep it to a minimum, and will make my makeup last. I work 10-hour shift in a factory, so I need something that will keep my makeup on and keep it looking good, even when it gets hot and humid in the factory. This stuff is my look. This is literally the primer of my dreams. Okay, listen. Okay. Anyway, you guys can read the rest, but some people love it and others don't. So for some people it breaks them out and others it doesn't. So like personally I don't recommend it. I hope like I don't get dragged, but some people like it. So my recommendation for you is to get a sample or to get the small one if you really want to try it. However, that's not my favorite. I don't like it. That's not like this is nothing against Milk the brand, but this primer is not it. But you know what? I know you want to buy something, so instead of going away, just go to this video and see another review. You'll know if you should buy it or not. Okay, I'll see you guys.